Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, June 23rd. Start off with a surface weather depiction. You can see there are some areas of showers and thunderstorms, and it's actually saying mixed precipitation. That's mostly in the Wyoming area at very high elevations today. There's really not much for the Idaho side of the line there. And it will be a little bit breezy today. So let's look at the details. First of all, where the precipitation may happen. You're mostly going to find it north of Swan Valley on the Wyoming border and the entire Idaho-Montana border. Some pretty good chances here in the early afternoon. Also some winds. You can see not much prior to 6 p.m., but there is a weak low moving through there, and it is producing some winds later. Temperatures continue to warm, though, in spite of the shower activity. Temperatures finally getting into the 70s after a lot of places staying in the 60s yesterday. Then in the evening hours, you can see these showers and thunderstorms will start to tail off. And the thunderstorm activity really is limited to areas in the Targhee National Forest. All of this threat of precipitation in the Salmon Chalice National Forest is primarily rain, and that would even include during the afternoon from noon to 6 p.m. and this time here as well. And here's where the winds really kick in again after 6 p.m. You see 20 to 30 miles an hour here in the Snake River Plain, Eastern Magic Valley, and mostly in the craters of the moon and the Idaho National Laboratory area. Overnight lows tonight be fairly mild with the breeziness, especially in the Snake River Plain, Eastern Magic Valley, and South Central Highlands. A few areas, though, getting close to the freezing mark. This is a lot warmer than we've been recently, where we've been setting or tying records for lows, both in the Central Idaho Mountains and in the Snake River Plain. Here's the outlook for Monday, one of our drier days. Just a slight chance of some showers in the and isolated thunderstorms right along the border there, the Island Park area, basically. And that's brought out here, again, just a slight chance in that little corner. Once again, in the afternoon, winds starting to increase, mostly in the Eastern Magic Valley. Temperatures continue their warming, but still below normal, even on Monday. See very little chance of precipitation for the evening. And the winds do pick up in the evening for basically the craters of the moon area. And overnight lows continue on their warming trend. You can see most places nowhere near freezing, especially in the Central Idaho Mountains, or even there. And then for Tuesday, you can see weak low pressure approaching from the south, and that's going to trigger some showers and thunderstorms once again, but mostly out of our area. There's very little going on. Here's just the slightest chance, mostly in Lemhi County, especially on the northern end of it. Temperatures here finally on Tuesday, temperatures at or above normal for this time of year. And the threat of precipitation tails off tremendously after 6 p.m. The winds pretty good in Cassia County down here in the Twin Falls, BLM areas, and the southern Sawtooth, and even the northern Sawtooth on the ridges and the Salmon Chalice on the ridges getting breezy to windy. And very mild temperatures, and these are up as much as 20 degrees from the weekend. Here's your extended forecast. If you want to take a good look at it, you can pause at this point, but generally that slight chance of showers continues on the extreme northern end, basically along the Montana border for Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday, no showers expected. It's just mostly sunny. Temperatures cooling down at this point. Wednesday, sort of, they peak out. with a cool down through Friday and then warming up again on Wednesday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback for the content of the briefing, contact our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.